forgot to film because I was working on the YZ before it, and then I wasn't filming that because I was doing it 2 times and I already had the footage. So I thought that I had the footage for this too, but I didn't. But I completely transformed it. Before I show you guys, let me tell you guys what I have done. So I will have new batteries coming to my store, my website. I don't know if they're already gonna be there by the time this video is posted, but so I got these new all blacked out batteries, and then I fixed. So you remember how last time I left the controller, my old controller, inside of my, right here, right there. I left it inside of there, and I forgot to take it out. So I also took that out. I hope you guys don't see. If you guys do see, I'm gonna blur it out. This is just temporarily what I'm doing, but so I took that out, put the far driver and 72300 in there, and then I did have some problems. I had to take it apart 3 times, but I finally fixed it. So my Bluetooth dongle, I think I might have crimped it and messed it up. So I had an extra one for the YZ. So I did have an extra one from the YZ. So there's a connector, and I could just plug it in and read everything I need. Then you guys probably saw the surround. I think you guys probably saw it in the background of my videos on the Surroundster replica. It's a surround seat. I installed that, and then my battery plastics, I took them off. I cleaned up all my wiring, and then I cleaned the bike up really nice. And yeah, let me show you guys. So yeah, I got the surround seat. It's so much more comfortable. If you guys do have an RSF, I highly suggest that, because the first time you loop hard, like going like anything above probably like 8 miles per hour or even 5, the rear like fender piece is gonna crack, and they're super hard to find, and then it scratches it all up. That's what happened. Let me throw up a picture right there. And then I think there's still a dent in the street where my rear the rear of it hit. I was already off the bike, and the bike kept going. Let me see. Oh yeah, right here. You see this dent or the scrape mark, and then it goes right there too. So I looped it, and you guys saw the picture of it all scratched up, and then I plastic welded it back together. Then on the back I sanded it down, then wrapped it, and then this was after I fixed everything. I mean, it looked really good. It's just it's gonna mess up, and then I don't know. So I just redid it, and it does look a lot better, because there's no doubt about it. Like, my brother's been telling me, put the surround seat, and then I would always say, I will when I eat it. And then I ate it, so I had to. Oh, that's nice. But yeah, this build is looking really nice. So first I was just gonna take the battery covers off, because I did scratch them a little. I don't know, maybe this video or the last video. I ate it in the grass, and I think, you know, the buttons on like your pants, your 501s, they have buttons. and then it scratched my plastic piece. And then so I fixed that. So that's why I took them off, and then I got put the new battery in, and yeah, it's all coming out dope. I'm really liking how this build is coming out. I did wanna, another reason I put the surround seat, I wanted to de-stockify it, cause like if it's new, it ain't clean. You feel me? It is fairly new. December, 6 months ago. Still fairly new. I mean, I kept it in good condition. So I just wanted to de-stockify it. So that's why I put everything I did. But I really like how it's coming out. I think I am just gonna order a new one of these, cause I messed up a few things in the past from trying. You see these things, bro? They're the hardest to take out, and then you're using a flathead, and then you scratch them all up. Like, Razor should get a new design for that. That's all I could say. Or send extras, or just send like something to like. To touch it up, like if they, like the bag where the charger and everything comes in, it would be nice if they could send all of that and make it where like you could fix anything, like little scratches like that, and nothing but like little stuff like that you could fix, like you're stuck using Sharpie, like if they send those exact paint markers, that would be dope. For all the scratches, you could just touch up. That's one thing. I'll probably try to find something I can color match it, like on Amazon, and I'll show you guys. If anything. But yeah, if you guys do have a surround seat, or like pretend you could find one on Marketplace for like $30 because they upgraded to the Luna seat, bro, do it. Like, so think of this. Would you rather have a seat off of an $800 bike? Well, this one was like $900, and it wasn't even upgraded. Let's just stock like the 16 mile per hour bike. Or this one's probably worth like a lot now. But off an $800 bike, a seat off an $800 bike, or a seat off of a $5,000 bike. Think. I chose the $5,000 bike. Around. But yeah, my uncle has a surround, and my cousin, and any parts they upgrade, they just put them in the garage, and they give them all to me. And yeah, I'm hoping they upgrade to 72 volts, and I'll buy the 60 volt off of them. I've gotten a lot better at wheeling. I think it's been two key things. So the new controller and the new seat. Because on the old seat, I don't know if you guys rode an RSF, you're kind of stuck in one spot. Like you can only move so much. But on this one, you can move far, far, far back. And that's been helping a lot. And then it's just a new controller. I could set it. So like I don't have to change a full sprocket to change the torque. So yeah, if you guys want to get a controller, go check out Iconic Cycles. Use Ben's Lowrider 5 all caps discount code. And yeah. But I'm still learning. Or not yesterday. Earlier, I was going like probably like 30 miles per hour on a wheelie, and I was straight stuck in balance point. Well, not stuck, but I was like in balance point, and I wasn't brake tapping. I wasn't doing nothing. I wasn't even giving it more throttle. It's like when you're riding and you just have your throttle like this, same spot, and you're just cruising. I was doing that, but I was wheeling, so I was just in balance point, just pretty much riding, but my wheel was up. You guys know Ride or Die? They sell a set where it's the full Ride or Die suspension with full moto brakes. I'm really considering buying that because I was gonna go with E&C, but they don't offer moto brakes, and that's kind of like, should I? And then no disrespect to their forks, but they're really dope forks. I mean, they look dope, but the only thing that's pulling it farther is Ride or Die has moto brakes to their on their forks, and it's only like and it's $300 less than E&C. But E&C has a full front. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, that was sick. That was nice. But you guys see the sound? That's what I need to do. Well, yeah, these forks are perfect, but key thing is, on a stock bike, you can't even wheelie. But imagine you happen to wheelie a stock bike. You're gonna drop going like, not even 10 miles per hour. You're gonna drop it, but imagine dropping it going 30, 25. So continuing to what I was saying, E&C has new bars and a new front wheel that come with it, but I haven't seen really no one put it on the RSF, and I won't even be able to use the front wheel because I don't use it, but I could still put it on one of my other builds. But I haven't seen no one put that on the RSF. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have, but I've only seen Ride or Die on RSF 650s, and E&C doesn't have two options like the MX 650 forks and the RSF 650 forks. So Ride or Die has the RSF 650 forks and the MX 650 forks. So I'm thinking about just going for the Ride or Die. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I think I'm gonna go for that. If you want a discount code, go to Electro & Co. Use my discount code BENZLR5. And yeah, but that new Razor MX Pro. Ooh, it's so nice. Already has moto suspension, or like pit bike suspension, D&M rear shock, nice handlebars, bigger frame, moto wheels, bro. It's just, but for $1,800, me personally, I'm gonna wait like 2 years, and they'll probably be on marketplace for like $1,200. You feel me? And then Razor will have a ton of extra parts out by then, and then you could or E&C will, and then you could just fix it up. And I'll probably powder coat it and all that good stuff. Yo guys, go check out my website where I sell these dope Razor kits to modify your bike. 72 volts, 48 volts, 3000 watts, 2000 watts. Go check it out. It'll be everything you need to modify your Razor. So go check it out, and I'll put it up on the screen. Ben's Electrified Bike Kits will be in the description and in my bio. Go check it out. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned.